Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm excited to walk you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to add an image in ActiveCampaign. It's really easy to get started, and if you want to follow along, check out the link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log in to your account. First, click on the Campaigns tab, then open your campaign and go to Edit Design. Once there, click on the Block button. You will see an image block. Drag and drop it into your design. Next, click on the image block and select Add File. Choose your file and click Open. After the upload, select your image and it will be added successfully. I'm also offering a free email list building course linked in the description below, where you'll learn how my team and I earn $3,493 in commissions while expanding our email list. This training is completely free for now, so don't miss out on this opportunity. We appreciate your feedback. Like, subscribe, and let us know how we can make our content even better.